In this video, we are going to show you how to create subdomains in cpanel. First, you need to open your cpanel. After that, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find the domain section, where you will also see the domain option. Simply click on the domain option and open it. After this, you will see your primary domain displayed here, for which you have purchased hosting, etc. Here, you can see that we also have the option to create a new domain. So, we will simply click on this option. And here we will give a name for the subdomain we want to create. For example, we will write blog and add a dot. And we will copy our primary domain name from here and paste it here. After pasting it, you will see that your document root file system location is provided here. You need to keep this unchecked. And then you have to click on the submit button here. As soon as you click the submit button, your subdomain will be created here. Now, as soon as we click on this URL, we will see some errors indicating this site cannot be reached. This problem is occurring because our DNS has not been properly edited yet. Now, how do we fix this problem? As we are using Cloudflare for our primary domain, we need to manually submit the IP associated with our blog. For example, if you are using hosting from Hostyindia, you will see that the service you are using provides you with server information. If you are using primary name servers within your domain, you will not encounter this problem. However, if you are using Cloudflare, users need to see an IP here. If for some reason you do not see the IP here, you need to go back to cpanel. And here you will see an option for CDP address where you will find the IP. You need to copy this same IP and open your Cloudflare. In Cloudflare, go to DNS. And there you will have a small task to do with the DNS records for the subdomain you created, which is blog. We will simply add its DNS as well, because there are no DNS records edited for the blog. We will add an A record here, and we will write blog. As soon as we write blog, you will see that it highlights our primary domain, and you will also see it here. Then you need to add the address. If you want to use a proxy here, you can use it. Click on save, and after this, our subdomain will be successfully created. After some time, if you check, your subdomain will start working here. Now go back and check the file manager. You need to go into the file manager, and after entering the file manager, go to public HTML. After entering public HTML, you will see that the subdomain we just created has a folder created here. If you do any installation inside this folder, it will be used for your subdomain. We hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.